Why you mad? What you mad for?
You can block my number, but he still gonna eat my ass.
Thank you. Have a good day. I don't know nobody. The fuck? That was crazy, dude.
He just paid for my titties. Hood rats, they love them hood rats. They love them hood rats. They love them hood rats. Hellcat, fucked up in a Hellcat. Hellcat, fucked up in a Hellcat.
Okay, guys, this. No.
Catch your body, I wanna suck on the president. Real niggas love ratchet bitches.
You think taking us over OD? They can say that they got it like that.
Can you go, please? Hello?
What the fuck is this motherfucking ass right now?
Yes, I'm fucking sexy. You can't even say you can be so clear.
Bitch got dogs. The fuck? Oh, fucking. Oh. Your order here, ma'am. Yo, that's your DoorDash order, girl. Thank you. 5 stars. 5 stars. 5 stars. Thank you. Don't forget the tip. $5 and over.
Hi, can you please provide the phone number linked to your Dasher account?
What you mean her stuff was open, ma'am? Her stuff was not open. I delivered the order like you told me to on the motherfucking app. I sent. Okay, I'm not trying to cuss at you. I'm not trying to cuss. Okay, hold on. I took the picture like y'all told me to. I don't know what to tell you. I need my money. I need my money. I need my money. You stupid.